Hey guys, this is Alex and welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. So now we're solving problem 841, keys in rooms. So what about this? There are n rooms labeled from 0 to n-1 and all the rooms are locked except for room 0. Your goal is to visit all the rooms. However, you cannot enter a locked room without having its key. When you visit a room, you may find a set of distinct keys in it. Each key has a number on it, denoting which room it unlocks, and you can take all of them with you to unlock the other rooms. Given an array room where rooms of index is the set of keys, so this is the keys on the room 0, keys on room 1, keys on room 2, keys on room 3. Return true if you can visit all the rooms or false otherwise. Okay, cool. Check it out. Okay, this is how will I solve this? So what we can do is, let's use this example here. So this means that we have room 1, room 2, room 3, room 4. And this has the key for room 1. This has a key for room 2, the key for room 3, and this has no keys. And this is room 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so what do? Well, we start with one key, which is the room 0 key. According to the problem, we can always enter room 0. So let's say keys equals 0. And we pop the key, and then we visit it, and then we insert the keys that we find here. Like let's say 1. In this case, we just insert the key of 1. Cool. Then we repeat the process. And, okay. By the way, we should keep track of visited equals, in this case, 0 already. And it should be a set of 0 so far. A set is like a key value pair, but it just has the keys. We don't want the values, we just want keys. So yeah, then we pop 1, so we add it here. Then we visit 1. Oh, we have key number 2. Cool. Let's add this one here. Then we pop the key. Then we do the same thing. And okay, we got this key, so let's put it here. And then we pop it, so we visit 3. There are no keys. There's nothing, it's over. And then we just check if we visited all of them. Basically, we can check for the length of the set, like the easiest way to do it. However, it might be possible that we enter loops. So let's say if 2 has a key for 0, so we would go from 1 to 1, then we add the key 2, we add the key 0, then we visit 0 that has a key to 1. Whatever. So what we need to do is, if we have a key here that is already on the visited, we just throw away the key. Like, yeah, we don't want it. Yeah. Okay, let's get to implementing. So I think we can do this pretty easily. So we can visit all rooms. So visited is a set. Keys starts with key of 0. So I'll just say while keys. Then we do current room equals keys dot pop. Let's pop 0. Let's pop the first one. Let's always take the last one first. No, the first one first. So the last one to come in will be the last one to get out. Last in, last out. So current room equals keys.pop, and then we say then we do if current room in visited.keys, no, in visited. So if we already visited this room, let's just continue. We don't care. If not, visited.add current room, and then let's say keys. So for new keys, no, we'll just do that. Keys equals keys plus rooms of current room. So then what we do is return length of rooms equals length of visited. Let's submit this, see if it works. Well, it did. You guys can see the results, but now you can. So 17 milliseconds, so we're on the greens. I'm happy. Hope you guys are happy with this. See you later. Bye.